1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. 2. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 3. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. NASA estimates there are between 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy, while a 2015 study estimated about 3 trillion trees on Earth. 4. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus has an extremely slow rotation on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, while it takes about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. 5. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Additionally, their blood is blue due to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin. 6. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This phenomenon, known as the triple point, occurs when temperature and pressure are just right for the 3 phases, gas, liquid, and solid, of a substance to coexist in thermodynamic equilibrium. 7. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. While this doesn't mean we are closely related to bananas, it does highlight the common genetic building blocks of life. 8. A teaspoonful of neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons. Neutron stars are incredibly dense remnants of supernova explosions, with their mass packed into a very small volume. 9. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer. When a substance is heated up, its particles move more and it takes up a larger volume. This is known as thermal expansion. 10. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. The number of possible unique chess games is estimated to be 10 to the power of 120, while the number of atoms is around 10 to the power of 80. 11. A cockroach can live for weeks without its head. They can survive without their head until they die of starvation because their brain is not vital for basic functions. 12. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. The Anglo-Zanzibar War fought between the United Kingdom and the Sultanate of Zanzibar on August 27, 1896, is the shortest recorded war. 13. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion different scents. Recent research suggests that our sense of smell is much more sensitive than previously thought. 14. A single strand of spider silk is thinner than a human hair, but also 5 times stronger than steel of the same diameter. This makes it one of the strongest known natural materials. 15. The longest time between 2 twins being born is 87 days. In 2012, twins Amy and Katie were born 87 days apart, setting the world record for the longest interval between the birth of twins. 16. The hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius in Death Valley, California, USA, on July 10, 1913.